What is up, everybody? I'm Moritz and I'm a Shopify developer from Germany who's looking for the best looking and most functional sections which are out there on the web. And I'm pretty sure you have seen something like this already in like an Instagram page or like a TikTok page where they specifically link this to this page, and there they have a collection of all the links of like products, their own website, maybe like different underpages and stuff like that. And here you can see a bunch of different versions, and the way they did this and also the other ones is by using an app called Section Store. And we're gonna build something like this today, and we're gonna try to recreate it, and I'm gonna show you in a couple easy steps how it's done. Like I said already, the app Section Store was used for this, and it contains over 350 fully customizable Shopify exclusive components. And yeah, I can easily charge hundreds of dollars for sections like this as a web developer, but we gonna just pick this one and just pay $9, which is a pretty good deal. At the end of the day, it's a one-time purchase, so no subscription fees or anything. Running super fast, it's just copy-pasting the code into your store, and it's optimized for fast performance, so that is one benefit too. And after successfully getting the section, just head to the My Sections area of the app, where you can find a throughout collection of all the sections you already own. Let's let this load up, and before you can actually use it, add it to the theme you're using. In my case, it is the Dawn Light theme, but it does work on every theme. And then hit that Customize in button and open up the theme you just installed it to. I created a several page for that. The way you can do that in the theme editor is just by clicking on page. Then you're gonna create the template, and later on in the navigation, you have to assign the page to the template. And then it's just gonna appear in your navigation bar, or if you actually just wanna have it there or not. That's one option which it's gonna give you, but the most important thing is that you create this page, so a link is created. After that, click on Add Section, type in link in bio, and then you can just easily add it. I already filled it with a little bit of content, and I'm gonna show you how I did this. So if you click on one of the link blocks, here you can select an image. So let's just pick a different one, so you see what it actually does right here. So maybe we're gonna go for this jacket instead of this shoe. And here you can already see the jacket is getting in there. And now we want to have the jacket, and we can directly put a product to it. And now if we click on it, it's going to redirect us to the product. You can also put a link from a different website in there. So it's going to be a collection of all the things you have on social. And yeah, same thing applies to the other ones. I already filled it with a little bit of content. If I want to do customizations to the whole block itself, also the headline and stuff like that, I click on this. Here you can see that's the background image. If I want to change that, I could easily do that as well by clicking on this. And now we have that shoe page. That is actually looking pretty sleek. We can also choose a different image for mobile. If I click on mobile, it's going to look something like this. I also think this looks pretty nice. Now we're going to switch back to desktop. We can create a little overlay so we have a better contrast, but I think this is looking pretty alright the way it is. We can change the logo here and even put in a picture if we want to as well. So this could be one way to do it as well. And yeah, here we have the quick links. You can see it's all updating live. And if we scroll down a bit more, we get a bunch of more options on how to customize those things. The width, you always have the mobile option as well, which makes it really easy to make changes on desktop and mobile. And if you scroll all the way down, you get all the options for the background of the sections and the blocks itself. So if we have the link color right here and we want to have something a bit more punchy, let's say something like this. Of course, we have to change the text as well. And now I want to give it a little border as well, which is going to be white. Now I have to find the link real quick to actually make the border available. Right now the border thickness is 0. Now it's 1, and here we get that nice little hover effect. This is looking quite nice actually. You can definitely just do it the way you want and optimize it for your brand. And yeah, a bunch of other things which are possible inside that app, but I'm not going to steal too much of your time because at the end of the day, you want to customize it to your brand guidelines. And yeah, now with all the designs being done, we just have to click on Add Page, type in link in bio, and now we're going to assign it to the template we just created. And the content is optional. You can just save it, definitely fill it with some content so it does get optimized for SEO. And here you can view the page, and this is going to be the live version of the whole thing. And here we have our thing again, working perfectly fine. And if I click on it, it's going to directly link us to the product we assigned it to. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys found it useful. If you did, always feel free to leave a like and a follow. And with that being said, have a good one and peace out.